What's cracking, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Everybody been telling me to get a truck, so I got a truck. Nah, it's fun. This is a rental, but I got a truck, so we can get this damn motor inside of the truck after the motor is out of the car, so it can look like nothing happened and wouldn't nobody ever hear. You know what I'm saying? No face, no case. So now, you know, that's all out. Now we just lift the motor up, put it in the truck. So that's what we about to do right now, man. Put the motor in the truck. In today's episode, I gotta go to my storage, drop this off before 7 o'clock, and then close the gates on your boy. So gotta get it cracking. All right, so I'm at my storage now, and yeah, man, we about to go to try to get this damn motor up out of here now. Let's see what we come up with. I'm trying to bring the motor closer to me because, as you see, I'm having some difficulty right now. And voila, it's out. It's on the flow now. Just gotta push it inside of this storage, and we should be all right. So now you can see now, man, motor's in my storage. It's home now. I got a couple of things. I got some ZFs, skid racks, N55, M54, tires, wheels, seats, lips, all types of stuff, man. My stock stuff, all types of stuff. So yeah, man, now the motor's secure and safe, man. Tomorrow I'm gonna have to come back and go through drive shafts and go through some more things so I can double check and make sure everything is what it is, man. And yeah, man, so yeah, tomorrow I'll be back, but I had to come drop this off real quick before it gets dark. So now that's in there. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back, take the starter off, take off like little stuff I'm gonna use for the new motor, and then yeah, man, we'll go from there. So that's it for today, y'all. Peace. What's cracking, y'all? So I'm back at it. Day 2, I believe. Yeah, day 2. And y'all remember the motor's out of the car. I went and brought the motor that I was putting together. Got the 5-speed on there, everything. Got the starter on there. Got the headers on, so it's ready to go on now. So now, I'm about to just lift it up, slide it in the car, and hopefully everything goes smooth. Hopefully. So, about to get it cracking right now. Yeah, check it out. So first things first, we're about to lift this motor up. Got that out. Gotta bolt in that motor mount before anything. Hold up, y'all. All right, so we're lifting the motor up, but at an angle so it can just slide down. The gizmo. So that way it'll be at an angle and we can just boop, slide it in there. Bring the car down, huh? We can bring the car down. Is it maxing out right now?
No.
Oh, thank you. get it over the hump.
Push it.
Nah, keep going up. That way we don't scrape shit. My bad, y'all. I need to see y'all. You can start coming in. I need to see y'all. Keep coming. Keep coming down.
Gotta hit that fucking jack stand.
Oh, okay, hold up. I can move it. See, now as y'all see, you know, so we got the motor like that. But yep. Come in more now. Alright, let's see what's holding it now. Oh, whole tunnel. The whole tunnel. What's up, man? It's cracking.
They're gonna be coming right now.
Oh, for real?
No, yeah, this is we're just branding. They're coming up like at the house.
Oh, okay. That's that. Alright. It might fall with the other shit, huh? I could jack it up from the back. Alright, so we'll take. Just zoom in on the. So we got it damn near there. Right there on the hole. Now, just gotta go down a little more, huh?
Yep.
Yes, sir. It's in there?
Yep.
You put a screw in there type shit?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. And then we'll do the other side. Other mount. And what I do with this mount, see, I put it last. That way. Oh, we got it damn near up in here, y'all. It's just sitting. So I used my motor mount trick, did that. That's damn near sitting right there. So now I got those tightened down. And then on this side, same thing. So it's already sitting in the bolt hole on this side. So this side's in. Now I just gotta let this side in. Yeah, man, then we move to the transmission, get the transmission mounted up, and voila. And then tomorrow we'll do some more things, you know? Let's get it. All right, y'all. So yeah, man, we got the motor in today. The motor's in now. You know what I'm saying? Bada bing. Motor's in there. So now tomorrow we're gonna do the pedals, drive shaft, and all that. So I mean, we getting it, man. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, man. Tomorrow, another day, another dollar. Peace.